Hey everyone, Jonas here with another epic update. Today I have Ashley behind the camera.
Hi y'all.
So anyways, we just kind of want to talk about open houses. So the landscape of open houses are changing quite a bit recently, and that's kind of one of the reasons why we want to talk about it. So for as long as I've been in real estate, open house has been a thing, and pre-internet era, they're one of the main kind of driving factors between how to market properties and that sort of thing. So get a room full of realtors, ask them who wants to do open house. Half of them love them, half of them hate it. Talk to sellers, half of them love it, half of them hate it, and that sort of thing. But I think the big thing that we need to talk about is kind of with the changes of the new NAR policy that's kind of taken effect and how that impacts buyers and sellers, and particularly buyers. Maybe fear of commitment with agents and that sort of thing, knowing that they may or may not be responsible for the compensation moving forward. I've always been a big proponent with open houses, with any sort of marketing. With real estate, I always use the analogy, you never know basically what lure is going to work, what I mean, what fishing line is going to grab that fish. So whether that's online, whether that's social media, Zillow, open house, direct mail, you name it, who knows. So it's a great way to obviously feature the properties, have a great one-on-one, and usually the people who are coming through the doors are highly interested as well. I mean, they're taking time out of their day to stop by and physically look at that property. But the one trend that I've really noticed, I'd say, the past several months is a much bigger uptick in the amount of traffic that's kind of coming through on my open houses. And I was curious if it was just kind of a fluke thing for me and our team, or if this is kind of something that's happening. And kind of the overwhelming consensus was that most of the agents were seeing more and more activity on their open houses. So I don't have any specific correlation as far as what's causing that, but my best guess is, like I said, probably the new changes with NAR. So for those of you that are looking to list your property in the near future, I would absolutely be open to open houses. Besides getting the traffic in there, I think we're going to have a lot of one-on-one great interaction with a lot of these buyers. A lot of them may or may not even be represented, which possibly could be a good avenue to save on some commissions on the back end. But anyways, yeah, so just until then, let us know how we can best assist. But like I said, the landscape of open houses is absolutely changing. So please take note if and when you're ready to list your house. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.